Hi, I'm Diego.
Hi, I'm Anna.
Our son Oscar is turning 2 next week, and about a year ago he was diagnosed with an ASD. This caught us by surprise and left us in shock. In need of more information, we approached Dr. Giardini for a second opinion. Right in that initial consultation, Dr. Giardini was incredibly thorough in his analysis of Oscar's full history and condition. In a detailed echocardiogram, he showed us Oscar's ASD, answered many questions, and explained what he considered were the most appropriate options for Oscar's condition and his general development. COVID-19 changed all planned procedures, including Oscar's. But Dr. Giardini was still available for his patients, even in lockdown, and helped with our concerns and worries. It turned out that Oscar needed urgent dental surgery prior to heart surgery at a time when medical services were still significantly reduced. Dr. Giardini demonstrated to us that he cares about his patients as a whole and goes beyond his duties as cardiologist. Through his strong network and reputation, he managed to get us a dental procedure. When we realized a week prior to this surgery that Oscar also had 2 hernias. Dr. Giardini organized in a pandemic and in a minimal time frame that all of these procedures could be done under one general anesthetic.
Oscar kept having surprises for us. The evening before a checkup with Dr. Giardini in August, Oscar had a significant amount of fresh blood in his urine. Dr. Giardini answered us that same night and immediately sent off urine cultures in the morning. Consulted and referred us to a nephrologist while we were still at the hospital and booked us into scans and blood tests. All of this comforted and reassured us that while worrying about Oscar, he was in the care of a professional, knowledgeable and very caring doctor who has great empathy and cares deeply about his patients, and who looks after all of the family and still manages to bring lightness to the situation with his jokes. When the big day of the heart surgery came in October, we were of course nervous and tense. Dr. Giardini was available for any question or worries we had during the days prior and didn't tire of us calling or emailing him. He reassured and calmed us. The surgery was a success, and as predicted by you, Dr. Giardini, Oscar recovered quickly. Now, 10 days past surgery, Oscar has so much more energy than he's ever had. His body's changing already, from subtle things like his skin color to his digestion and him running around our neighborhood when previously he always wanted to be carried. We are extremely grateful to have such an exceptional doctor as Dr. Giardini treat our son. Oscar was born with 22q11 syndrome, and since his birth we've been dealing with numerous physicians from many different specialties. Throughout the last 2 years I've learned that, as everywhere, there are true jewels in the medical profession, and Dr. Giardini is most certainly one of them. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Dr. Giardini.